With the first wave of residents expected to take occupancy this September, here is your first sneak peek into Tower 3 at the Garment Street Condos. Luxury, low maintenance condo living in the heart of downtown Kitchener. The condo culture team will have a wide variety of one bedroom plus dens, and 2-bedroom units available for lease starting in mid-September. Prices will range anywhere from $1,700 to $2,500 per month. Without further ado, let's jump into the building, take a look at the amenity spaces and some of the suites. Here we are on the 25th floor of Garment Street Tower 3. Without further ado, let's jump into a 1-bedroom unit and take a look at the features and finishes. I'm standing here on one of the balconies within the Garment Street Condos, and as you can see, the views are incredible. You got Uptown Waterloo to my right, Google just behind me, and so much more going on in downtown Kitchener on the other side of the building. Again, one of the largest benefits of units within Garment Street is the 3-way unobstructed views of beautiful downtown Kitchener and Uptown Waterloo. I'm now standing in a very spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit on the 27th floor of the Garment Street Condos. Again, great views, Victoria Park to my right, Kitchener and Uptown Waterloo behind me here. Let's take a look at the features and finishes of this unit. I'm now standing inside the soon-to-be gym space, just down the hall from various other amenities, including a theater, golf simulator, and co-working space. We're gonna jump outside now and take a look at the outdoor amenities, including a sports court and pool and terrace area. Let's jump outside. I'm now standing on the massive terrace for residents to enjoy. Amenities include, but are not limited to, a pool, barbecue area, sports court, and various lounge areas. Who knew condo living could encompass so many great amenities? There you have it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the building and the amenities. If you or anyone you know are looking for a rental opportunity in the heart of downtown Kitchener, don't hesitate to reach out to the Condo Culture team, rentals@condoculture.ca. Looking forward to chatting with you. Bye for now.